Hi, everyone. I'm Stephen Petrinjak, Director of Sales at Cardinal Health at Home. For those of you attending Medtrade in a few months, I cannot wait to join you. The HME industry is evolving, and so are the relationships that are powering it. In my upcoming panel discussion, Maximizing Value from Distributor and Manufacturer Partnerships, I will be sitting down with Amanda Smithy from McKesson to discuss navigating this ever-changing industry. We'll be talking about creating seamless experiences for providers, how providers and distributors can move beyond transactional relationships to feel their value, the importance of effective RFPs, and what to keep in mind as we enter a year of transformation for the HME industry. That's all for now, but I'm looking forward to seeing you all on Tuesday, March 3rd at 11:15 a.m. as we discuss how to maximize value and build strong partnerships.